Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today I would like to show you how you can configure your MikroTik router as a repeater, or what we call a range extender. To do that, go to system. No, first you want to make sure that your router is reset. So to do that, go to system, reset configuration, no default configuration, and reset configuration, and select yes. So I'll not do that because my router is reset. Now next, go to wireless here. Now you need to enable this WLAN1, so select it and enable it here. Now next, double click it, and then we have mode. Select mode here. Now if the router Wi-Fi you are extending from is the MikroTik router, select station-bridge. If it is not, it is another model, select station-pseudobridge. Now I'll select this because my router which I'm extending my Wi-Fi from is not a MikroTik router. So select that one and then come here to scan. Now what the scanner will do, it will scan all the Wi-Fi within your area, so that will select the one which you want to extend. So come here and then click start. Now as you can see, it is scanning. So here you come here and select your Wi-Fi, which mine is this one, and then select connect. Now after that, as you can see here, it is saying searching for. Now this is because remember your Wi-Fi has a password, the one which you are connected or you want to extend. Remember it has a password, so we need to put that password so that it will connect. So first just say apply and then say okay. Now to put the password, come here, we have security profiles here, and let's double click this one. Now and then come here to mode. We have mode here selected, and select dynamic keys here. Now most of the routers and their security, most is this one, WPA2, but if you are not sure, you can select mostly these two, and then you come here and put the password of the Wi-Fi which you are extending. So I will put my password here. Remember, put both of them if you are not sure of the security profile of the security of the education which they are using. These are the most common. So this is the password of the Wi-Fi which I'm extending. So come here, after putting a password, you can just say apply and then say okay. Next we need you need to confirm it if it is connected. So come here to Wi-Fi interfaces, double click it, and as you can see, it is connected. Now next we need to add a virtual interfaces. So come here to add, select virtual here. Then after that, this is where you write your Wi-Fi name of your repeater. So you can, if you write this the same name of your main Wi-Fi you are extending it, like this one, this is the same name as the Wi-Fi I am extending. If you write this one, it has it has an advantage, because if you go past the main Wi-Fi where it can reach it, and the repeater, the Wi-Fi of the repeater can reach past that, it will connect automatically. But if you want to write a different name, it is still your choice, so that you will know that you are connected to the repeater and it is not the main Wi-Fi you are connected. You can just write it depends on how you want it. So I will write this one, so that each time I connect, I will know that I am connected to the repeater and it is not my main Wi-Fi which I'm extending. So just after confirming what you write, just say apply and then say okay. Now we have set this one. Now next you need to configure a bridge. So come to bridge. what the bridge will do is we need to configure so that you will be able to connect a device through the ports of our repeater, and then it will access internet. So to do that, come here and then add a bridge. Nothing, you will write here, just say apply and okay. Then go to ports. Now this what we are setting will to make our repeater ports. That means that the device, if we connect any device with a LAN cable through the ports, will be able to access the internet. So come to ports, then click add, then come here. As you can see, we have interfaces here. Then select it and then make sure you write all. Now my computer is connected to the router with the LAN cable. That's why we don't have internet. Now if I set this one, you'll notice that now we'll be able to connect to the internet. So say apply and then say okay. Now give it a time here till connect, so don't rush, just give it a time. Now as you can see, now we are connected, so that means our settings are okay. Now we have set our repeater and it is very much good working. So now guys, if you have enjoyed the video or if you have learned something, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much guys for watching, and I will catch you on my next one.